Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I invite you to cook Jamaican Christmas rum cake with me, and I'm going to do it for the first time, my very first time. So don't judge me too hard. Any correction, anything, I'm gonna take it. Okay, just drop them in the comment section in a nice way. Alright, man. So let the show begin. Let's start the cooking. So the recipe I'm going to use today, I think, came from foreign, because one lady, Jamaican lady, she was cooking her cake. She put some ground cloves inside her cake, but we did search for the ground cloves for like a week and didn't find none of it. Well, we import more. I don't know, maybe some Kingston, Uptown area supermarkets, them got them, but in Portmore we don't have none. And we ask a lot of old Jamaican women, because you know Babas are the old women are the pros. So they told us they don't know nothing about ground cloves and they don't use it in their cake. But well, this lady used, so just gonna remove that ingredient and just stick to the recipe. Okay, so first of all, we are going to blend butter, just normal unsalted room temperature butter, and our cane brown sugar, Jamaican cane brown sugar, organic, 2 cups of it. We're gonna blend it together. So okay, let's do it, guys. You see what I bought? A giant pot, what do you call it?
Basin. Yeah, the bowl is a bowl. Not a basin. Not a basin is a bathroom. It's a bowl.
You use it in the bathroom?
No, it's a bowl.
Well,
if I say
blended cake.
terminology is not my best friend.
Not my best.
No.
Alright, so nearly last one. Hello. Alright.
And yes, guys, so you want me to put cloves in the cake. Cloves or something like pimenta seed.
Yeah, some
it look like
spice.
it. So I don't know where so you see that on YouTube.
Mushrooms, but no, about it.
She saw it on YouTube. Somebody put it in the cake. And I asked every grandmother I see in Jamaica and everywhere for the last 2 weeks, and no grandmother tell me said them here cloves are go inside a cake. So a good thing we never find it either, because probably Swaggy would have still put it.
Here. Well, let's see.
So if you use cloves in your Christmas Jamaican cake, guys, comment and make you know. But
where you buy them?
It's not even the buy now.
Ship it from
I just the fact that no grandmother will me see tell me say them use it. I ever hear people use it, and you say you see video with it. So it lead me for wonder if it's the right thing you hear. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know, older generation, they know better, you know. So if them not use it, that means that
something
people not really use it, you know.
Yeah. If the grandmothers them don't know,
without telling you where to
then
get it.
I don't want you put it.
Yeah, maybe they just who provided this recipe, she leaves a foreign, so it's not a big deal. But you guys in Jamaica, I only saw them cloves how them stay itself.
Yeah,
you know,
you wanted the powder.
Yeah.
And all the grandmothers tell me say cloves go on ham.
Yeah, man,
ham. Even the chef at the kids' school say cloves go on
make
ham.
sure we ask a lot of people, guys.
Before Swaggy pies for Christmas.
Alright, let's blend it together. Guys, just blended my butter and my brown sugar together. Now in my next bowl, we're going to mix flour. First, we're going to need 2 cups and half of the cup. So now let's eat. What I would do without those tools.
Yeah, thanks to the person
Yeah.
that sent Swaggy these cooking to these cups and stuff to make sure you can measure the things them the right way, see? Half cup. Without this would be mission impossible. Should I make something else? No, probably end up I try to make a cake, I make some patty. Pizza.
Pudding.
Pudding.
Alright, so now we're going to...
What's that?
This is ground cinnamon, and we're gonna need 1 tablespoon. It's going in my mixture. And then we're going to use nutmeg powder. You can get it in Jamaica easily. Half of teaspoon of salt. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder going, and half of a teaspoon of baking powder going into. Okay, mix it together now. So now we're gonna need 8 eggs, and we're gonna just break them, throw it in another bowl. Okay, I hope none of them eggs spoil. Well, let's hope for the better.
Just buy them yesterday.
Yeah, what? I have no hold on this starting shop. Well, hope and pray. 3, 8.
Thank God he's not a woman.
Finito.
Can't manage
So now we're gonna
all this work.
stir it. I said,
Thank God he's not a woman. He can't manage all this cooking and you don't say man a better chef still.
yeah,
But
alright, so now let's just mix it. I'm gonna mix it. What am I do? Look on me by. Look on me by. I'm stress myself. Come here.
and then people will say Cheryl can buy you whatever that is.
Okay. This now I go to.
No, that's a professional way soggy. No cross soggy.
You know, I just figured it out the other day.
Obviously, you have to press it on
I
there.
didn't know that all the time I just do like this, you know? Smarty. This one's like, couldn't figure out. And by mistake, I saw how to actually use it, you know?
So
by mistake, if you would never see it, you just still do it like that and wonder why the stick is so long, you know?
So it goes ahead, boss.
Alright, so eggs are ready. So now I'm going to show you how to make your fruit mixture with alcohol here. And I have one, I store it already, so I have to show you how to do it here. So next we're going to see if I want to cook it. Alright, so we're going to need half of a cup raisins, okay? So I'm going to throw it in a different dish. And here is currants. I'm going to use also half of a cup currants. I never tried before, you know? What up? Need to Google currants, something new for me. Alright, throw it there too. And half of a cup of prunes, okay? Just like that. I don't really like too much prunes, so okay, let it be this. It's also 1 cup of glazed cherries, okay? And yeah. 1 cup. I cut out again 1 cup of glazed cherries. Okay. Blender. Gonna need to blend it. Okay. Where's my blender? Where's my old ass blender? It's here. Guys, the reason why I don't throw this blender because I love the blender. Even if it looks all done, Gucci, this buddy does a great work. Just need to make sure you double check it. Alright, so now we're gonna throw everything. Now blender all your fruits. Cherries. Let's throw them there too. Got it? 3 oz of rum. Yep, not too much. I think it's perfect though. Yeah man, 3 oz, perfect. I'm gonna throw it in the blender. And 8 oz of red label wine, guys. I have small one. That's what I got in the wholesale shop. That's what I only thing they had. So I'm gonna use fresh one. 8 oz, okay?
Ounces.
Come on, correct me, come on. I call it oz, babe. Oz, babe.
No. Oz eats it.
I can understand me.
I understand.
Oh, it's exactly, yeah, man, almost. So it's not really.
No, I need one.
Yeah, you need more though.
I'm trying to come on.
Come on.
Be precise.
Yeah, I need more.
You can't drink some now? Can't drink next bucket,
I
yeah?
look like a mad woman.
No.
You drink wine in the daytime. Look like an alcoholic.
Okay. I'm drink it. Let it stay for later. No, if I drink again.
Okay, 8 oz. I think it's enough.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Red label.
Yeah.
Turn up the chills.
Yeah, so rum. Use this one. We are enough you.
Overproof rum.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know.
Proof. Originally proof by Jamaican people. And red label wine. Yeah, man. Spice it with the wine. Okay, guys. So we're gonna throw it in our fruit mixture also. Now we're gonna blend it together. Let me try it. You know, really strong.
No, that's not you can drink the wine, youth.
What that?
Wait, a wine and rum, it just mix?
No.
And say it's strong? Yeah,
No,
one.
I'm trying on the red label.
A red label, nice one.
It's strong. Guys, it's my old body.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use the crumb, I think. Chop up.
Because you can't cover it with that something with the old pan it. Oh God.
Alright, I'm gonna go find the cover. There's a cover, it's somewhere there.
Yeah, I know this somewhere. I want to see class.
I don't know where it is. Alright, guys.
I'm sorry.
Never went through. Yeah, but finally I found.
But keep your hand
after a
covered.
year, I didn't see the score for a year.
Yeah, I heard
So what we should blend it on
Just anything.
Which so,
Anything.
crumb or chop?
Start from the fastest one, because it big.
No, pulse. No, them say you're not supposed to turn it to a pure.
Oh.
It has to be like
Little bit crumbly. Oh, yeah.
So on that, I'm gonna start with chop.
Not too much. Yeah, like that level there. Yeah. No, don't chop no more. Don't chop it too much.
No, I ain't already.
Let me
And I
see
tell
now.
you guys, this body Me not go sell out this no matter what. Me need no magic bullet. That body me say.
That what? Body?
I call it body. Super body. My mixer. Starline. Some, like real cheap brand,
What they chat?
Because of the cup. Cup is made from plastic. You know them expensive blenders and use gloss copper and fancy things. I'm not work with it. Alright, mine is blow.
Good man.
But it's not that strong. You can't go full on. But you can go for the third and turn. It's strong.
That's the rum. That's a real nephew for you.
That's strong.
That's a good old real nephew.
I think I should blend it more fine. Look at this. Oh no. Oh, it's fine. That way is okay. That way. I think it's okay.
Wrong person you asked it, but what do you think?
I really want to taste beer crumbs in my cake. So guys, we decided to give it some pause.
You must remember that.
Wait.
Wait.
Alright,
Enough pause. I did already.
Come on. Okay, so this texture is perfect. I wasn't that well prepared here, and I didn't really plan to cook Christmas cake, but I just did the last minute idea, so that's why I didn't really store it from a year before, but the longer you store, better taste, Yeah. So if you want a perfect taste, store it for long. Anyway, I'm gonna put it in the jar. So I'll show you guys, and nobody can say to me that I didn't show how to make this mixture, okay? So now I'm gonna go back to my cake. Okay, easy me. I have here my already stored mix, Roman wine and fruit mix. So I'm gonna throw it. Now a mixture, okay? I'm gonna blend it together, okay? And by the way, remember this mixture is a butter and brown sugar mixture, okay? Yeah, 1 tablespoon of orange zest. I'm gonna show.
Oops, you want to sprinkle it?
Yo, life is always like that, yo.
You never goes to plan.
Nice, but it just blew up like a piece of onion. Alright, so 1 tablespoon of orange zest, freshly grounded. I just ground it myself. Give me a credit. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime. Squeeze it.
You want to squeeze it? I can't struggle with that lime squeeze. And I training the red. And I running red like you need more push-up.
So here comes 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Next one. Squeeze it in.
Struggling.
Boss. Boss. Okay, 2nd tablespoon of our lime juice.
Oh, you good? It's so nicely blended. I'm like color.
Yeah, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw our eggs and mix it, but we are not gonna mix it with a blender, we're gonna mix it with just spatula.
Are we getting close to completion? I don't have no idea of the process. So you have to do all of this. We're getting close. You think we're 50% near to start baking, or we're not reach near it?
Yeah, we're pretty close.
Pretty close.
Yeah. It's a little bit left.
Just to try have a,
flour, that's it.
just to try have an understanding. So the hard part gone already?
Yeah. Let's go.
Careful when you push the bowl off right here, yeah?
That's how it's going to be in the video.
Yeah, everything just turn over.
Catch it. Make sure it's not too. Alright guys, so now we're gonna add our flour.
That's the flour you mix up with all that other stuff then?
Yeah, with cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Well, I've never had cloves, so I'm gonna mix it in here. Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
I use no clothes.
Sometimes it doesn't bring me cloves.
No man, clothes now do nothing to this. Clothes now help this side and make it a better and
Why
worse.
this cake, I mean the mixture of the cake smells like a church.
Church? There's a church cake,
Church.
Christmas church cake.
I don't know, that's the smell
Yeah, it smells like the Christmas
of
cake.
church. I don't know why.
It's all soggy.
Mm-hmm.
What is like a whole cake soggy? What cake I get out of this?
I think 3. Okay, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Brownie.
Oh, my hands are they're shaking because I know it's the final stage and I can easily
Slip up.
spoil it, you know?
Yeah. And all your hard work could have gone down the drain. You'd be so sad.
I'll be crying. What do you mean? What you mean? I'll be crying like a baby because so much work I already put in. I want to say now. Come out right, never ball. If you never come out right, never ball and say, yo, done it. Supermarket cake mistake.
And them cake that sell for so much money might as well. You be it.
Well, but ingredients are pretty expensive too, though.
We get 3 cakes. You think we spend so much money?
I know.
You think we spend 1 cake money?
I think so.
And you're gonna get 3
Honestly,
cake? Yeah, I think so. So it's a win-win situation.
And plus, you can always bake more and more. Even if you have one alcohol bottle, you still can use it because how much cakes you can bake out of one rum bottle, you know?
Yeah.
A lot. Alright, so let's start with browning. I'm gonna add it by tablespoons. Browning, see them look how pretty. Nice Christmas buckle. See them show that that's the cake of yours.
Yeah, straight.
Alright, so I'm gonna add just to give a cake this nice color. And with browning, you have to be careful too because you know browning can spoil your cake. Also, if you put too much, the cake going to taste bitter. So you better make sure when you think it's enough, don't OD. Just make sure your color is on point and that's it. Guys, I don't know, but 5, I am gonna put 5 because I'm so not sure and I'm afraid to spoil my cake.
A 5 you put already, right?
I put 5 here.
Alright, no more and this bill.
But that's how it looks. I think it's okay. I mean,
You look okay.
it looks okay to you.
Yeah, you don't look too bad.
It don't look too dark, you know. Maybe I need 1 half of it.
No, it's alright. That dark enough you. The people don't say 4 to 5. Then you want to put 6.
Then I'll go dark.
So again, don't put any more. It's a 4 to 5.
Yeah, a little.
So no 5 that.
One more, a little.
Because you know not about dark is the taste.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah, go on, man.
Just a little, you know.
Just make sure so if it not taste good, you know, come back to me if you come
all
for.
the ingredients.
No, no come to me
Yeah,
for no
that tax
comfort.
me for all the ingredients, you know?
Yeah, we drive back out to your check.
Yeah, guys. God.
Soggy, you must know
You can't waste cake like that. It's insane. It's insane.
Remember, say one carrot, 2 slices, we give neighbors them, and I want to say.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah, you know them get that style. You want it good as you lock the door too.
It's been really
So,
good. Come on,
yeah.
it's alright. Come on, can't go on. You know when Jamaican say can't go on, that means it's not okay. But it just can't pass. It means that I will take it, but you know,
Ain't
you
already.
owe me. Here. So that color I'm satisfied with it much more, you know?
Already, you know, you color your look on.
I'm
Yeah.
satisfied with this color more. So I'm gonna take it like that. So I got this color. Done. No more browning. No more browning. Done. You go up to the browning. Sauce can do with it. So next thing, what we need to do. Our Christmas, what are forms? Pans?
Falls.
Falls.
What's the name? You just say so serious, sir.
Pans, falls. I wonder if I need to spray them. If I need to spray them before. I think should I spray them before? I mean, I have a spray, baking spray. The one.
Remember the paper or the paper?
I already.
No, I don't know.
Alright, so I never sprayed though. Come, you know what? I can't let it come out and stick to the pan. What am I do?
Seriously, like I put the paper down at the bottom right there now?
It looks so. Smells like vanilla. Alright, so let's do it. Let's separate it. I don't know, should I even spray them?
What about the paper you buy? I put it right there
I
now.
ain't put paper now. Alright guys, so let the show begin, okay? Then I'll put do it. I need to preheat the oven to 350. So now waste my time. Bake 350. Good thing you told me to take 3 of them because you know guys, I'm cheap as. I don't want to spend my money and then I would not have enough pans, you know. But Harold said swaggy take 3 because I would take 2 and then cause and struggle. You know guys.
You don't try to put everything in the 2 pan.
Yeah. You freak. Alright, so. Well, we can't really overcrowd the pan. So, just gonna make it nice. I think that's enough because I don't want it to look too much. I think it's this way.
I'm sorry, you know that I say I did that. You have to look at you if you put in the top middle.
Yeah, but you
did it at the end.
No, at the end.
You take a bake it, you know.
Come on.
Alright. Mad, Soggy, you go on. You deserve another ring. You want the next ring, pay next finger? Looks nice. See, perfect. 3D shade need a seat youth.
Second one.
Second one. If you never just buy the third dish now, where do the rest of that?
Should I buy the little one? Car.
Nothing wrong, even if it's small.
Small, you think?
This can be my cake alone.
Flat so.
But-
Flat so.
Yeah man, that one can be mine alone, yeah.
Okay.
Me alone just eat that one for myself.
Okay. No, you can't eat that one. Yeah, but so far, guys, looks like something wood. Yeah, we should next
Use
time.
a spoon, no?
But because I don't have no measurement, so next time I'm gonna sure know how much of those one usage pans for take because you've never baked cake before, so it's my very first time baking Christmas cake.
Yeah, for the Soggy, take out the big pot and just pour it out and use the spoon and scrape it out like I do.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah. Yes.
Man, we should buy one little one But who knew? Who knew? Nobody knew.
It's alright.
Nobody knew. Nobody knew. So, excuse me, sorry. Nobody knew.
It's okay.
I hope I can scrub enough many things.
Yeah, take off, scrape more, take off, float the bottom.
Flat like.
Yeah, certain.
Well, let's see. What if we just separate this?
No,
No,
just,
too much.
too
Too
much.
much here, man.
Just go on, just, no, leave it flat, not the last one, yeah? That's the big deal. And take a rise, so you take a rise. It's not a rise like the other two then.
Give the one to your worst neighbor.
Not funny.
It's so funny.
Not funny. You have worse neighbor? You have worse neighbor over here, Swaggy? So you agree with the neighbor them? Oh, alright. Neighbors in here.
Treat you bad this year, and that person get this.
Alright. So you're a bad neighbor
No,
out there?
Kevin, no.
Neighbors in here?
Relationships with everybody.
Yeah, we
Everybody
never
wants
share
to
that,
go
bro.
alcohol and that. Yeah.
Never know so Swaggy agree with our neighbor them, but it's alright.
Man, don't be like my neighbors.
But Swaggy, this not bad. This is a little bit flat.
Yeah,
So
but
come up and rise.
this is for the worst neighbor.
Alright, Swaggy.
Who treated you this year not really good?
Yeah,
And that is bad good to that person.
alright, my boss.
Alright, well, I could have put more brownie, but.
Swaggy, where you go with that?
Anyway,
Macaroni, you go.
cakes for life. So, guys, I just pour some water in my pan, and I'm going to put my pan in there also, so that way that will steam a little bit the cakes. Pot is on 350, and as soon as this number going to change, I'm going to put my cakes. Okay, 45. Come, send power, babies.
Babies,
In the
thing.
room. Okay, so one. But that's so far, guys. You see, instead of buying one supermarket cake, I ended up with 2.5. Economy. Economy. Okay, so hour and a half. I'm gonna close the oven for at least 2 hours. Let's see. Yeah.
Shoot fast.
Okay, guys. So
Not finished yet, but that look
baby's
good.
in the process.
Yeah.
That's the result, guys. Check out my result. Check it out. 2.
Mad.
And this one for my worst neighbor.
Hey, where's neighbor?
Here. So we're gonna test it out first, just to make sure they are done. They're well done.
So you need a toothpick.
Toothpick, just push it in there. If it's gonna come out without grease, that means your cake is done. Perfectly made.
Please gonna make it come out, so no, yes. Okay. Alright.
Good to go.
No grease?
Alright.
Show it on the camera. Let's see.
So we'll put
Alright,
something
no
there,
grease.
but that's fine.
Your daughter got dry out with the weather. No grease is there.
Oh yes.
So you did it. Allah. So you like the cake, you know?
So now what you're gonna do?
When you still in plastic and cool. No?
There, but not really.
No, not
So
it.
first, what I'm gonna do, okay, stop panicking, everything's okay, nobody's dying, okay? Breathe deep. Yeah, man, wait.
Oh, the neighbor cake this time. I'm not panicking.
Wait a little bit.
Yeah, because too much. You never even when you go in. Maybe because this is a little.
Even, but I threw me.
No, this is a little pan. Oh, this is a little pan.
Yeah, but I threw
Yeah,
me
it's a
something lean a little
lean a
bit.
little bit.
My oven, whatever I called the pans, it lean a little bit, so that's why it
It's slant.
You want some? It's a double flavor.
Hmm.
Here. So look, I'm gonna do it. Just gonna do it like this.
Alright, boss. Teach me, teach me. Not just it's like grow this much into a chef, you know, it's really vertically. Yeah.
Alright, so let's just make it look uptown.
Right? But I normally see that pancake. I mean, I really like it. Uptown cake.
Uptown cake. So that's why I don't ever see it.
Oh, so I
And
eat
you see what
uptown.
I'm going to put in the supermarket pan, this pan, they go soak into the cake. So you can't do that.
I'm just telling them used to seeing them about, so
I tell you how it goes.
the uptown thing.
And since it's a Christmas cake, put some snow on it. Put cherry on top. And take a reindeer. Reindeer nose. So, you guys, so here comes Jamaican Christmas rum cake.
Made by Swaggy from Russia. Soon to be Jamaican. Adapting well, I see.
I'm waiting on my passport. I could Bosley.
Climatizing. Yeah, she was climatizing.
Yeah, so let's try it. First, I'm going to try it. My own Christmas cake.
We need a dish.
So, here guys, look how it looks.
Yeah? I'm coming.
Alright, so.
Let Leo try it. Kids never lie. Leo, you have iPad? Yeah, try mommy cake. It's a mommy cake. Tell mommy how it is. Be honest, yeah? Yeah, tell her the truth. How it is, Saggy? Blow up on it. Yeah. Tell me how it tastes, Leo. How it is? How it is? You put it back in your mouth.
Alright.
You never like it in the dash way. Leo, how it is?
Alright, Leo.
Leo, how it is, Leo?
Nice.
It nice? You like it? Yeah. Sorry. Try.
Up top.
Up top. This is okay to leave neighbor. The neighbor will say.
I'm going to think about it.
I'm sorry. When you get your neighbor, I'm going to work on the neighbor to taste.
Alright.
Try. Okay. Mm-hmm.